new topic. Everyone should see what is the new topic, fresh topic. Yes, let us just start. Let me give the today's date. What is what? That is 8/12/2022. Fine. So guys, which are the aggregate function? Everyone tell me, which are the aggregate functions?
Min, max.
Sum, minimum, max,
Count.
count.
So bracket,
Average.
always bracket will be there, yes or no?
Yes,
Sum,
yeah,
max,
always.
then mean, then average and
Count.
count. Fine. Now, the next thing is that what is group by? What is group by, guys?
It will use to grouping the same column.
Grouping the data.
It is
column.
used
Based
to,
on the column.
yeah, yes, it is used to group the data based on the
Based
column
on
name.
the column.
Column name.
Fine. Now, guys, the next question I will ask is, what is having? What is the answer for this?
Having
What is
function is
having?
used to grouping the data on the aggregate function.
Having used after the group by.
After group by.
Is
Yes,
more
so someone will ask you
logical.
having, what you will tell? Having is a filter
Condition
condition.
classes.
Filter condition.
First, you will tell it is a filter condition for
Filter condition.
grouped data, right?
Data.
Condition.
Grouped data,
Yes.
right? What is where? Where is a filter condition for what?
Filter condition.
Non-grouping your
For
data.
non-grouped data. That's all you have to tell. Now, where is where put and where is having put? Where is written where?
Before
group
group by.
Before group by. And having is written where?
After.
After group by. Before group by also we can use, but it is not.
Just tell
More
after
logical.
group by, okay? Because the interviewer will not know, then again it will be a headache. Okay, just tell it is used after group by. It can be used before group by. I've showed you by writing the query also, but at the time of telling, just tell it is used after group by. Fine. Next. So I wanted, next I taught you department wise maximum salary. What is the query for that? Department wise maximum salary. What is the query to find the department wise maximum salary? Can you just tell me? Everyone?
Like department number.
Department number, max
Comma,
cell.
Max of cell from EMP group by
From
what?
EMP group by.
Group by.
Department
Department
number.
Yes or no? Yes.
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 So now I wanted to find the duplicate in a column. So this is an important query. 100% it will be asked, 1000%. Every interview and every ETL project you should know. Interview question and every migration project, data migration project. Let me write it complete. Every data migration project or data archival project, retrieval project, any project, I'm writing data migration project. Duplicates we need to find. Duplicate we need to find in a column. So how can we find? So I want to find how many duplicates are there in this department number 10, 20, 30. There are duplicates or not? Yes.
Yes.
So can you just try? How can we find using group by and all those things? Just try that. All of you write in the chat. Just try that.
Okay. Can I write?
Yes, yes. Everyone write down fast in the chat. To find the question is to write a query to find the duplicates in department number column. Write at your own so that because the 1000 times this query is asked. So I want you at least to try once. Find the duplicate in department number column. Who has written this? No. This will not work. Okay. Whenever you use any aggregate function, no, you have to use group by. See if I write select department.
Actually, it was entered by mistakenly. I
Sir, I have written the query.
So what is your mistake? Can you just think, Nikhil? Count is star from EMP. It will just generate an error. Okay. Always you have to use group by. Yeah, guys, try. Monica, are you writing? Rakesh, are you writing?
Yes,
What,
sir.
what are you guys doing?
Yes, sir.
How you tell that this record is duplicate? Suppose this is a table, okay? Now this is an EMP table, okay? Now there's a department number 10. This is a department number column. This is department number 10 and this is department number 10. This is department number 20. Okay, this is department number 20 and this is 30. Okay, and again there's 20. So now, how will you come to know that this is duplicated or this is not duplicated? There's some mistake, guys, here. What is that? That I'll tell you. How will you tell this is duplicated or this is not duplicated? Can you just tell me? Monica, Dimple?
So
Tell me how, which is the, first tell me which are the duplicate values here.
actually duplicate value is 10, 10 2 times and 20, 20 2 times.
Yeah,
So
10
we'll-
10 is 2 times, okay?
2 times. Yeah.
20 is
20
how
is
many
also
times?
2 times.
2 times, right?
Yeah. So we will use a count of star
Yes.
for it. It
Okay.
will count the duplicate value first. Then we will group by it by department number. It's a primary column, like we have given the department number, and we will use the having clause. Through the having clause, we will give the condition count of star is should be greater than 1.
Why that should be greater than 1?
Because we won't find the duplicates record. So 10, 10 is 2 times. Whenever it will search the condition greater than 1, then it will show the result 10 2 times.
That
We
means if the count is 1, that means it is unique or duplicate.
If we are giving the condition department number is greater than 1, like
No. My
count of
question is
star.
no. Just listen to my question. My question is, if I put count of star, having count of star equals to 1, that means what? Count of star, having count of star greater than equal to 1 means what?
Not
do you-
greater than equals to 1. It's only greater than 1. Whenever we'll give the condition greater than 1.
No.
Count of department number.
My question is, I have written the query, okay? Now, if the count is 1, that means what? If the count of any record is 1, that means what? What is the count of 30?
It's 1. It will show it will print only 30, like 1.
That means what? If the count is 1 means what? Is it a unique record or not?
It's a unique.
Yes, unique record.
That is what I wanted to listen. If the count is 1, that means what? Is it a unique record or not, guys? Tell me, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And if the count is greater than 1, that means what?
The duplicate.
Duplicate record. That is what is my expectation. You have to tell. We have to, if any value is duplicated, that means count is greater than 1. And if any value is unique, that means count is what? 1. If any value
1.
is duplicated, that means count is greater than 1. And if any value is unique, that means count equal to 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That means this 10 is 2 times. This 2 means it is duplicated. This 20 is 2 times. That means it is duplicated. Again, 20 was there. Is it duplicated or not? Why?
Yes.
How many times 20 is coming?
4 times.
4 times.
Is it greater than 1?
Yes.
Yes.
So it is duplicated or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Duplicated.
And what is the count of 30?
1.
1
So is it
record.
unique or duplicated?
The unique.
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 So
Sir.
to get the duplicate, what is the condition we will use?
Count of star greater than 1.
Greater than 1. And what is the mistake you people have done? You have written the syntactical error. Monica query is correct.
I have written the count.
Yeah, this Deepika has given the spaces between department and number, which is wrong. Syntactical error. Now people are rejecting in syntactical error also. Nikhil also in syntactical error. Okay, you have to be very, very precise while using a query. This will generate error. Yes or no, Nikhil?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Nowadays people are rejecting him based on the syntactical error also. So what is the query? Select department number, comma what?
Count
of
department number.
Star from
EMP
EMP.
EMP, then group by what?
where
Group by department number.
Where will come? Group by department number having what?
Having count
Star
greater than.
Greater
Star
than.
greater than 1.
And if I want unique record, what should I write?
Select.
Having
Count
clause
is
star
equal
equals
to
to
Hold
1.
on,
Having
hold on, guys. This is a department table. Write the and now I have to write the which is the unique record. Everyone is unique record. Yes, no. 10, 20, 30, 40. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So which is the unique record? How will I write the query? What is the query? Can you just tell me? Select.
Like department number,
department number,
comma
count,
count of star from EMP.
EMP, group by department number, having count is equal to 1.
Sir,
And what is the output I will get?
sir, it will show the error.
Why it will show the error?
We have to.
Sir, because we have selected the department table. You have written employee table.
No, that is fine. That is fine. No, I'm telling that is fine. Now I'm telling
From department.
what
From
is the
EMP.
output of this query. That is fine. Table name. What is the output of this query?
It will show the complete four of all records. One count, one count, one count, one.
Yes, yes, yes. Why, guys?
Yes, sir.
Because there is no duplicate here. Yes or
No
no?
duplicate.
Yeah.
Yes,
sir.
Yes or no, guys?
yes.
Yeah. There is something called as nested function. Have you heard about that? Max of count. Generally, this is not used, and I don't prefer you to tell all these things because the interviewer will know or not. I want the maximum of the count of the employees, okay, for each department. So this kind of a situation comes sometimes. I'll tell you another way which you will use. This is also simplest way, but the interviewer should know. But I am teaching you. So suppose someone asks you maximum of count of employees, okay? So what will happen is we use a nested function. So max of what we'll use? Count of employees. Suppose I've written star, I can write employee number from EMP, and group by is mandatory here. When we use group by function, group by is mandatory here. That means this is giving maximum of this count
Maximum.
of number of employees for each department. So what will be the answer for this? Are you able to understand? This is count of this is. See, select count of. See, first understand the simplest query. If I write, let me write directly in the editor, okay? If I write select count of star from EMP group by department number, what will be the output? Can you just tell me?
14.
Hold on, guys.
That
Group
will
by
be
department
executed.
number. That means what?
It should
It
mention
will
in
group the data department wise.
Yeah.
So
What will be
department
the
10 and
output?
20.
What will
The
be the output?
same. Yes, department 10.
No, department will
count.
not be shown, right? I am not writing
Yes.
that in the select
Only
query. What
count
be the
will
output?
come.
What is that count?
5, 3.
6, 5, and 3. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Guys, tell me yes or no.
yes.
Yes, sir.
Department wise count, but I am selecting only the count. So what I am getting? 6, 5, and 3. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
So if I put the maximum over it, then what the output I will get? Will I get 6?
6. Only 6.
What I have to do? This is called nested group function. So what I have to do? Select max. Then what I have to write? Count of
Count
star
star
from EMP group by what?
department number.
Department.
So what is the output I'm getting? 6. Yes or no, guys?
6. Only the maximum.
Yeah. So the group by is mandatory here, guys. If you don't write group by, it will generate error. See, suppose if I write here, select max of count of star from EMP, and I don't write here group by, what will happen is it will generate an error. Yes or no, guys? Yes. Nested group function without group by. Yes or no, guys? Yes. So when you are using a nested group function, what should happen? When we use nested group function, what should happen? Group by is mandatory, else it will generate an error. Below is the error message. What is the error message? This is the error message. Yes. Fine. No, guys, this is the one of the query. This is fine. Next, guys, the next is max of count is fine. Now I want is that you cannot use but any column here. That's again a challenging thing here. If I write like that, select department number, comma, max of count of a star, then this will not work. Count of a star from EMP group by department number, then it will not work. Okay. So always you have to use only that aggregated function. This is what is the nested aggregated function. When we use, we have to use group by mandatorily, and we don't use the column in the select. This is the restriction. I will tell you another way how to get the inner subqueries from clause, where clause, select clause, all those things I'll tell you how to use the subqueries. Are you clear with the group function? Tell me yes or no, guys.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So what is group by?
it is used
Grouping of the
grouping
data column
Data.
wise.
based on column.
Based on the column name. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes.
Now I'm writing one query. Just see here. Now see, if I tell average of salary for each department, what is the query? Select average cell from a
Cell
department number from EMP group by what?
group
Department
by
number.
department number.
Yes. Now, what happened? Select average of cell, comma, department number from EMP. What is the query? Group by department
Group
number. This
by
is fine, right? Now this is the department wise average salary. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yes,
Now see, what is the average salary for department 10? Is 2916.6667. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Average salary for department 20 is 2175 and average salary for 30 is 1566.667. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes.
Now, this is called as partition Y. Can you see I have used a word called as partition Y? Yes or no, guys?
yes,
Partition Y is used to partition each and every record. In partition Y, the number of records will not reduce. Am I clear with this thing? First thing what I'm telling. Group by is over. Partition by is used to partition what, guys? Each and every record. Fine. Next point. Number of records
Record
will
remains same.
not reduce while using what? Partition.
Partition by.
Am I clear till this much? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Over is required. Okay, over is the keyword which is required to use partition while, because you put over the condition. So you have to use what? Over. Okay, fine. And then you have to give a bracket, and here you have to write partition by and the column name, whatever you want. Column name, and if you want, you can write the order by also. Order by condition. Now, what is order by? I'll tell you later. As of now, the condition is what? You have to use a keyword called as over. In the bracket, you have to write partition by and the column name. This is called partitioning each and every record. Partition by is completely confusing topic, guys. So you should ask me as many as question you want. Try to understand, guys. Many people will not know partition by. I don't know what is the challenge they face, but they don't know. So first thing you have to come to know, this is a over word. And then you have to, in the bracket, you have to write partition by column name. Am I clear with this syntax? Tell me yes or no.
yes,
Yes, sir. Syntax is clear.
Clear? Syntax is clear. So I'll tell you average salary for each record and partition based on the department. Don't have to reduce the number of records. So what we'll do, we'll write what is the query? Select average cell. Then what I have to do? Which keyword I have to use? Over.
Over
Bracket,
partition
what I have to
by.
write? Partition by
Partition by.
department number. Then from EMP. Yes or no, guys?
yes,
Yeah, from EMP. Yes. Select average salary over PARTIT1 partition by department number. What is the mistake I did?
Partition.
Partition.
We spelled it wrong.
Okay.
P-
Fine. Yeah, this is fine. This is fine. Now, average salary for every partition, for every records we have taken. Now we want to see the columns also. So what is the query we'll write? Do you remember that?
The column name.
The
I
column
can
name.
just write here A and I can write here. Do you remember that? A dot star.
A dot
this.
star.
A dot this.
Yes.
Yes or no, guys? What is
Yes.
A dot star? Do you remember that? What is A dot
It
star?
select all the columns of that
Yes.
table, EMP
Yes,
table.
yes. Have you heard about this? What is your name, Divya? Dimple. Have you heard about this, Dimple?
Yes,
Before
yes.
A dot star.
Yeah.
What is A dot star?
Actually, we are giving the alias for table employee A. Then we are calling by A dot star. So it will show the complete records of the table.
Very good, excellent. So now what happens in this table? I have got all the records, and then I can partition by, and I can see for department 10. This is the party. Are you seeing this is not coming in now in a haphazard way? All are coming in a synchronized way. 10 is a
Yes.
particular department wise we have partition. Department 10 is a partition. For that, these are the average salary. Department 20 is another partition. For that, this is the average salary. For department 30, this is a separate partition. This is the average salary. Yes or no, guys?
Yes. So it
Can you
also
have-
put in a ascending order.
Yeah, we can put it. That I will tell you. Order by if you want to or sort it. In the bracket, you can put it. Here you can put it. In the here, no, you can put it. Suppose order by salary, DSC, anything. We can just put it. So now what happened is we have sorted a partition. First, we have made the partition. Partition is made 10, 20, 30. There are 3 partitions. Then what we did? We sorted it based on the salary in the descending order. So this is what sorted order in the descending order. We have just sorted the salary. So that is a separate thing. I will teach you order by. Don't worry about now about the order by. Okay. I'll teach you the order by separately. Leave about that. Okay. As of now. Now, guys, leave about that. Just focus on the partition by. Tell me any doubts in partition by queries, guys. What is the query? Select A dot star, comma, average of cell. Then what we have to write? Over, first of all, over, then
Inside
partition by
column
department number. Then what I have to write? From EMPA. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes.
Now, this is a particular partition we have made over the department number. This is called partition by. So partition by is used to partition each and every record. If we use partition by, number of records are not reduced. Am I clear till this much? Tell me yes or no, guys.
Yes.
Yes.
Can you give another example?
Suppose you want sum of salary and do with any aggregate function, no? If you want to do it with the sum of the salary and do you want to do a partition, then you will do sum of salary. Again, there will be so many examples when I'll teach you first maximum, second maximum salary. So what happens? This is the partition I have made department 10. For that, this is the sum of the salaries department 20. Again, these are the total salaries for department 20, 30. What is the total salary for department 30? Here, number of records are not reducing, right? In group by, what is the problem? The number of records will reduce. Department 10, only one will be shown. Out of all this department 20, only one will be shown. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes.
Are you understanding
it's-
the difference?
Yes. It's generating same output.
Yes,
kind
it's
of.
generating same output, but it is not
Kind of.
reducing the records. It is
Records.
just making a partition. All this department 10 is one partition. All this department 20 is one partition. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
If I have to give an alias name for this partition by, how can I give? Here, can I write it as P?
Yes.
Yes.
Where I have written P? Over partition by department. Here I am giving an alias name as P. Can you see this?
P.
Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Sir.
So now it is coming in a proper way. This is partition. I have written P. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
So list the details of employee. Okay. Having the salary equals to the average salary of all employees. So can you write down on this query? This query generally is asked. Okay. List the name of employees whose salary is equal to suppose I write maximum, let me just write down maximum salary of all employees. Can you think on this query? Write down in the chat, just try. Name of employee whose salary is equals to what? Maximum salary of all employees. No, but I have not taught you subquery, right? Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this query, how will you write? See, nothing. See what I have to do is select ename from EMP, where what? Salary equals to what, guys? See, list the name of employees whose salary is equal to what? Maximum salary of all employees.
Salary.
Maximum salary of all employees means what?
Max salary.
Select what?
Select
Max of
salary
Max salary
salary
from
from EMP.
from
Okay.
EMP.
But you have not learned subquery, so don't write this. Okay. Department wise maximum salary, minimum salary, department wise total salary, count of number of employees, detail, and all those things I have taught you. So group by is over. Having is a filter condition which is used after group by. Where is a filter condition which is used before group by. Partition by is used to partition each and every record based on the column name. Over is a syntax over, and then partition by condition is there. So that is how these things are there. That is what is group by. So group by restrictions are what? If we select a column in this select clause, that must be present after group by. But if a column is selected in group by, that need not to be present in this select clause. Do you remember the rule of group by? Yes or no, guys?
yes.
Yes, sir.
So all these things are group by. We will now today learn 15 minutes are there, a fresh topic, guys. From long time I'm waiting to teach this order by. So what is order by, guys? Do you know that? Order by is used to what?
Sorting the result into ascending order.
Shorting the records.
Yeah, sort the
And
data in which order?
ascending or descending.
Ascending order.
Ascending or descending order. Fine, guys. Now, what is the syntax? Do you know that?
ASC for ascending,
Okay.
DESC.
column name and ESC.
ASC, then column name. Okay. And DESC, then column name. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yes. Simple syntax. And if we don't mention ASC or DESC, then what will happen? By default, it will take as what?
Ascending.
By
Ascending.
default, it will take as what? Ascending order. If we don't mention what?
Descending.
If we don't mention ASC or DESC. If we
Yes.
don't mention ascending, descending, it will take it as ascending. But for descending, what will happen? But for descending, we have to
Mention.
explicitly mention it. Okay. We have to mention it. DESC and then column name. So order by is written where? Order by is always
Written at the end of the statement.
Yes, always by order by is always written in the end of any SQL statement. It is never written before. Okay, it's written always in the end of any SQL statement. Fine, guys. So now tell me, I want to sort the data based on the department number. So what I will write? Select star from EMP order by what? Department number. If I am not mentioning AESC or DESC, what will happen?
Ascending. Will show the
Ascending
list in
order.
ascending.
order. Department number.
Is it sorted in ascending order? First department 10, then 20, then 30. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
So if I want in the descending order, what will be the query?
Select a star.
Select a star from EMP order by department.
Order by department number means
Department number.
descending.
What is the keyword? DESC.
SC.
Yes.
Yes or no, guys? 30, then 20, then 10. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now select ename, then employee number. Now comma salary. comma, department number from EMP, order by 2 DSC. What does this mean? Or order by 3 DSC. What does this mean? What is the meaning of this query? Can you just think?
Order by
Position of column in the select. What is the position of column in the select? What is this column? 1. This is what is this column? 2. What is this column? 3. So
Three.
order by 3 DSC means what?
It shorted
by
the
Third
record
column,
based on column
Based on
position.
salary.
column position, column number.
Order by what, guys? Order by 3 DSC means what? Order by salary.
Order by
Column
salary.
three.
Salary.
Salary.
Third.
DSC. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So order by can be used using name or number. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
What we
with
have
the
learned
name
today?
and
Order by can be used using
with
what?
the
Column name
name and column
or
number
column
Position.
position.
present in the select clause. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
But you have to specifically mention, right? Yes. Suppose I write select employee number, comma salary from EMP, group by what? Group by 2 DSC. That means what? What
It
I'm
will
doing?
sort the
Salary.
result by
Employee number.
salary position.
But cell.
Order by 2 DSC. That means based on the salary in the descending column.
Salary
Fine.
number. Yeah.
Select star from EMP. Order by now. What is the salary column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where is the salary? This is no 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No
6, sir.
6 DSC. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes. Descending order.
Very clear. Ascending, descending. Yes or no,
Yes.
guys? So department wise
Yes, sir.
maximum salary greater than 2000 and not including department number 10 and sorting it based on the maximum salary. Write down this query. If you write this query, you will know everything. Department wise maximum salary having maximum salary greater than 3000. Okay. No, greater than 2000. Let us write down greater than 2000. Not including department number equals to 10. Do not include department number equals to 10. Okay. And sort it in descending order based on the salary. Yeah, write down the query. Let me see who writes the first correct query. Monica, Dimple, Rakesh, Nikhil, are you writing, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir, I am trying.
Department wise maximum salary. Having maximum salary greater than 2000, not including department number 10. Then in the last, sorting it based on the salary. Rakesh has written department wise maximum salary. Where you are getting giving greater than 2000, what I told you for group function, what is the filter condition used, Rakesh? What is the filter condition for group data? Having, right? Why are you writing
Having,
there
sir.
only?
Yes, sir.
Why are you writing there? What is this condition? Why you have written here? Are you able to see your query? You have written here
Yes.
only. That is not the way, right? And order by this column name. Again, you don't have to write. I told you order by is written in the end. You have written in between. Select department number max cell from EMP where department number not equals to 10. Group by department number having maximum salary greater than 2000. Comma. Who has written this comma? Who told you to use comma
It's
here?
me, sir. Should we use or not?
No. Who told you? I just told you no, always use spaces. Who told you to use comma?
Yes.
Did I use comma here?
No, sir. Since having, so I thought after
Write down correctly. Dimple, are you writing? What are you doing? Dimple, are you there?
Yes,
Are you
I'm
writing?
writing. Yes, I'm writing.
What about Nikhil? What are you doing?
I am writing, sir.
Why taking so much time? Write fast. Yeah, Dimple has written this department number max cell from EMP where department number not equals to 10. Wait, first let me check Dimple's query. Where group by department number having max cell greater than here, order by salary. This will not work. Okay. See. My question was to sort it based on the maximum salary, right?
Okay, okay.
All of you are writing order by salary, but my question is different. This is not work, right?
Order by salary descending, correct?
No. This query you are telling? This is a wrong query, right?
Or based on
Not a, what is the query error we are getting? What we are getting error? Not a group by expression. Yes, correct. That is what I was looking for. Leave that now.
Okay.
Now we have to select which columns, guys. Tell me. Select department number, comma what?
maximum, sir.
Yes, sir.
Maximum salary. That's all you have to write. From which table? EMP.
EMP.
What we don't have to take? Where department number not equals to
Department 10.
10. Then group by what? Group by what?
Department number.
Having what? Having
Maximum
maximum salary
Maximum
greater than what?
2000.
Now I told you in the end to use order by. Now
Order
which
by.
of the columns in the select? Only department number or maximum salary? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So how you will use here order or salary? You have to use order by maximum salary, right? You have to use maximum salary. What is the order? DESC.
Yes.
Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes.
What happened here? Order by there's a space. Always there's a space. Okay.
Yes.
This is the query. Am I clear, guys? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
If I write here order by salary, what will happen? Tell me. If I write here order by salary, what are you doing? You are selecting department number and maximum salary from this table. And then you are sorting based on the salary. Will it work? No.
No, sir.
No.
Will it work? See here. No. It will tell not a group by expression. You have grouped the data based on what? Department number. Or where the maximum salary is greater than this one. So you are getting the output this one. Okay. This output is there. Now this data you can sort. Now you cannot sort the EMP table because you have only 2 columns.
Yes.
And this you can sort. You can sort it based on either department number or you can sort it based on the maximum salary. Am I clear, guys? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
So we have written department wise maximum salary where department number not equals to 10, having maximum salary greater than 2000, sorting it based on the salary. Next topic we will learn is sorting of multiple columns. Have you heard about that?
Multiple.
Sir,
No.
What about she is telling, what is a Dimple? Have you heard about sorting of multiple columns?
Yeah.
What happens in multiple columns? Suppose I take select e-name, comma salary, comma department number from EMP, and I done order by e-name, ASC, comma salary, DSC, comma department number, ASC. What will be the output of this query?
We sort the result by e-name in ascending order, salary in descending, and department
Department
number
in
by ascending.
Then how we one particular column cannot be sorted. It is linked to the other columns, right? If you sort
Yes.
it based
To
on this,
error.
it will
But it
be
will
linked
show
to the
the
other
error
picture.
because
Yes.
all the columns are interrelated to each other.
Yeah. So you people don't know. Okay.
Yeah.
Understood? You people don't know anything. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorting is done.
Yes.
Okay. It will not generate error. Do you want to see? It will not generate error. Is it generating error? No.
No.
Guys, now listen here. That is why they join me. People learn from 5 institutes, 10 institutes. Still they come and learn from Vikram. If you want to learn SQL, there's no place other than that. You have to join my class. You have to learn. That's the only way. Okay. Now listen here. Sorting of multiple columns is done based on the first column. Based on what column, guys? First column. That means what is the first column? E-name.
E-name.
Yes or no, guys? The sorting will be always done based on what? The first column. Am I clear, guys? Yes or no? If there are multiple columns, sorting will be done based on the first column. Am I clear? Tell me yes or no.
Okay.
It will not give a damn to this and this column. Yes or no, guys? Yes. Sorting
Yes.
is done based on the first column. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
This is first thing. Sorting for multiple column is done based on the first column. This is the first rule. Rule number 1. Rule number 2. Only and only if the value is same in the where? In the first column, then sorting will be done on the basis of second column and so on. What is this line telling? This is a very powerful line. So now what is happening is there are 3 columns. E-name is A, again S. Now what is happening is E-name is AAS. Let me just show you. Yes, E-name is AAS now. Now salary is 1,000. 2,000. Now what will happen? There's one more. Okay. Department number is 10, 20, 30. Now what the first rule tells, guys? Sorting will be done based on what column?
First column.
First
First column. So what will be the output? A.
Yes.
Yes. Now these 2 values are same or not, guys?
Yes.
If the values are same, we will be doing the sorting based on which column?
Second column.
Second column. What is the second column telling? Salary in descending order. This is fine. Now, if the values are same in the second column, then it will be done based on what column?
Third column.
So
Third
third column.
Third column.
Third column. So it will go here. Now, what is telling? Department number ASC. If it was department number DESC, then what would be the output? It will be
20.
1,000, then 20. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Again, it will be here what? What is the value here? 1,000.
1,010.
Okay.
Department
10.
number is.
Then here it will be what? Whatever that is value, 2000,
20,000.
20,000, and then value is 30. Am I clear? Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
So now how is the sorting happening here? See the table. Select star from EMP. What is the sorting happening? First, the sorting happened based on what? Based on the name. Yes or no, guys?
Yes,
Order
sir.
by name. Yes or no? Is there any place name is same? See here, any place's name is same? Name is
No.
not same. The sorting will be done based on what? Name. Yes or no, guys?
Email.
Yes.
Yes.
Now let us just see, take another example. Select department number, comma cell from EMP, order by department number DESC and department number, comma you have to give. Always you have to give comma here. In order by, if you are taking multiple column, you have to take comma. Order by department number DESC and cell ASC. Now see. Now how the sorting will happen? Can you just tell me? Department number will be sorted in which order?
Descending.
Descending.
Descending order.
Is there
30.
duplicate value or not? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
30,
suppose
20.
cell is duplicate. If there is duplicate value, then what will happen? Sorting will be done based on the second column. Yes or no, guys? In
Yes, sir.
which order? Ascending order. That's what is the
Ascending
Ascending
order.
simple order, simple thing. First, see, department number is sorted based on which order, guys? Descending order.
Descending.
Now, first column, always the first column. First column, it is sorted. Now, if the values are same, here the values are same. So now we will go to the second column. It will be arranged in which order? Ascending order.
Ascending order.
Now again here the values are same. Again ascending order. Again the values are same. Again ascending order. But first the sorting will be done based on which column? First column. Then if the values are same, then it will be done based on the second column. Am I clear, guys? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
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 Very with a very low voice you are telling yes. Why? See, these things you need to practice, guys. I told you grouping is done for multiple columns will be done based on what? Multiple columns. Do you remember that? If
Yes.
I write group by what? E-name and I write what? Department number, then what will happen, guys? The grouping is done based on the employee name and department number.
Department
Yes
number.
or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
It is like the couple contest. Which couple is beautiful? So this is the case here in the group by. But in order by, it is not. Order by will be done, if there is unique values, it will be done based on the first column. If there are duplicate values, first column will be sorted. Wherever the values are equal, then we will sort it based on the second column. Am I clear, guys? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
So now if I write a last query, select department number, comma cell from EMP, order by department number, DSC, comma salary DSC. What will be the output, guys?
Department number in
Shorter
descending order and salary in descending order.
So first what will happen? It will be sorted based on which column? Department number.
Yes, department number.
And then if the values are same in the department number, then it will be sorted based on the salary.
Based on salary.
Salary.
Yeah, yeah, see, these values are first it is sorted in department number column. Values are same here, okay? Now sort it based on this second column, descending order.
Salary
Yes
column.
or no, guys? Yes.
Yes.
So what do you understand by this query? Select department number, comma salary from EMP, order by 1, 2. What is this query telling?
It will
Department
sort the
number,
result by
custom.
column 1, then column 2.
Column 1 and 2.
1 and
Column
2.
1 is
Ascending
department
order.
number and cell.
Department
In
number
ascending
in
order.
which order? Ascending order.
Ascending.
Salary in which order?
Ascending.
Ascending order.
Ascending
First,
order.
it will be done based on the department number column. And if the values are same in department number column, then it will be done based on
Okay.
the
Salary column.
yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Are you clear with
If I
this?
give 1,
Yes.
2 after.
Tell me.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
This 1, 2 is position in the select clause. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So we have learned order by, we have learned group by, we have learned partition by. All these are clause. These are clause. But function is what, guys? Which are the function we have learned? Tell me which are the function we have learned. Sum, max, mean, average, and count. Function will always have this bracket. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
I have shared you the SQL material. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll again share. If it is not shared to her, I'll share you. This is the SQL material. Yes or no, guys? All the contents are there. You can study from here, as well as my running notes, as well as the recording. Let me first share this thing. So let me just share this query. Let me just stop the recording from myself.